Hey there, it's Diane from Wise All Digital Marketing Agency here in Cleveland. We spoke today briefly, and I thought I'd shoot this video that we talked about and send that over to you with 3 things that you can do today to beat your competition online. I don't want to waste any of your time, so I'll keep it brief. If by the end of the video you like what you've heard and think that I can help you grow your business, shoot me a message and we can chat. If you simply want to take the free attack plan and do it yourself, all I ask is you give me some feedback on the video. The 3 things I'm going to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. First of all, content. Any of the words that you see on your homepage, including what the picture you're saved as, are considered your content. These give the search engines an idea about what you offer and the areas you're targeting. Having unique authoritative content with keywords people are searching for will help you rank. So you want to target different terms that people would type into Google when they're searching for your services. That's considered a keyword. So we want to target those, and Google likes to see 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page to be optimized with them, to give them a good amount of content so they know what services you're offering, a little bit about those services, and then like what your service areas are so that they know what applies when people are looking for something. So looking here, you don't really have much content. So that's something that you could really beef up and explain the different things that you service and wanting to target some keywords. So if we look at some of the competition, they're targeting Handyman in Cleveland, Ohio, Handyman Services, Cleveland, Ohio, Handyman Lakewood, Ohio, and Handyman Cleveland, Ohio. And we can see that monthly there's about 170 people that search for one of the terms, 40 people a month that search for another term, 20 people a month that search for another term, and then 170 that search for the other term. So we have a good search volume amongst those words. So if you can get those onto your page, along with some other services that you do, and explain the services some, that will help. Also, saving your images. So when you go to image save as, when you're creating it, naming them keywords will also help too. So that's a little bit on some of the content. You can see one of the competitors, Cleveland Handyman, he goes into his services. So Cleveland Handyman, and then he talks about being the best handyman in Cleveland, different services they offer from renovations, decks, framework, best deck builders, Cleveland, home remodeling, Cleveland, roof repairs, best carpentry service in Cleveland. So they're talking about different services that they offer that people might be searching for. So, your services might vary, but, doing something like this where they're talking about their services and they're incorporating the names of the services into it will all help you get listed on Google when somebody searches for something. So if they search for Cleveland Handyman, there's 140 people per month that are searching that. The way that Google knows who to return as a result is based on your content. They don't know who's a handyman in Cleveland unless you tell them by the words that are on your page. So all these people have done that. So that's something that I would recommend. The second thing is citations. So this map pack here, the top 3 people that are in this map pack, it's partially their websites can help to give them a little bit of strength that they have a really good website, but mostly it's based on citations. So what's a citation? A citation is actually your business name, address, and phone number listed on different directories throughout the web. So things like the Yellow Pages, Yext, Yelp, Facebook. If you have your business name, address, and phone number, and you want it to be identical to what your map listing says. So right now you're currently on page 4 of the maps. So not many people are going to scroll to page 4. So for that reason, I would really recommend doing some stuff to your account here. So here, Jack of all home renovations, you want your citations to appear exactly like that with this exact address and phone number, punctuation the same, everything the same, so that Google can connect the dots between all those different listings on the different directories, and that will help you rank. Also, making sure that you optimize your Google My Business account so that it lists your different services, your hours. You want to fill it out completely. Get your photos labeled with keywords and things. That'll all help as well. But getting those citations, getting listed in various places. Some of the competitors have about 20 different sources that they're at, so I would try to get that plus some more so that you can beat them out. And that'll help move you up in that map pack so that people can find you through those maps. And then the third thing is when somebody searches for Cleveland Handyman, the people that are up here at the top are determined by how much Google trusts you. So Google's trust is built based on how many other people reference your site. So a backlink is what builds that. So what is a backlink? A backlink is anytime your website address is listed on other websites. So when you have that URL that somebody can click through to get onto your page, that would be a backlink. So they say, hey, check out these, top handymen in Cleveland, and they have like a list of 10 different ones, and one of them's you, and it has your link. That would be a backlink. So you want to try to get backlinks on authoritative sites, ones that Google trusts, and ones that are relevant to your niche. So things that relate to home services, home repair, or the area that you're in, Cleveland area, Cuyahoga County area, wherever you're trying to service. Things that were on, Cleveland.com or a Chamber of Commerce in a city near you. Those carry more weight with Google than if you got something from Pizza Hut. So having relative ones that are related to your services will help more. And then we can see, like Handyman Cleveland, Ohio, that we looked at that site, they have 15 different sites that link to them, and they have a domain rating of 19. So they have some trust with Google. And we can go and see the different sites that they're listed on and see if it's a good backlink and it's giving them good power. We would consider going out there and trying to see if we can click on that and add your site onto it. So that's another way that Google decides, who appears up top and who appears on page 5. So those are all some things that you can do to help get your site seen by more people so that you can get more traffic and more calls. So hopefully that's been helpful. Once again, that's content, having relevant information, targeting keywords on your site, having a good amount of content, 1,000 to 1,500 keyword or words total, and then citations, having that name, address, and phone number listed on different directories will help with the map section, and then having the backlinks to give your site authority and trust with Google on other websites that are trusted is the name of the game. So hopefully that's been helpful, and if you'd like to talk to me, have a discovery call, and see how I can maybe help you guys with this, feel free to reach out. And if not, I wish you guys luck. And if you have anybody else that you know of that could use my services, please go ahead and show them this video or have them contact me. I'd be happy to speak with them as well. Hope you have a great day.